We are at 515 North 49th Street. Date is December 21st, 2020. I am making this recording as a final video showing the sewer repair work done out here by Bob Oates Plumbing. What we're looking at right now is the Seattle City Mainline sewer. This is sitting in the city main, running up and down 49th there. See all the water sewage running from all the neighboring houses here. And as we come back up out of the main, you see we almost immediately go into a liner. So there's where the liner ends, and we're almost at a straight vertical drop there. You see I've got like 80% grade. Coming back into that 6-inch diameter liner right there, as you can see. Coming out of that heavy graded area. Coming back now, we're under the road here, coming back towards the sidewalk. Very smooth, good looking liner. Coming, oh, not quite yet there. There we go. Coming back into 4-inch diameter there, so there's our transition point, 4 to 6. Coming back into 4-inch now, so we're out of that's 30 feet or so, a 6-inch liner. Now in that 4-inch diameter. And that's the spot where I want to just get it, recenter it there, Bruce.
I see.
See how it's just slightly off kiltered?
So where's is?
It's right here.
Oh, I see.
I mean, it's in the hole. I could probably do it if I had a shovel and some time on my hands.
Yeah, no.
It'll be an easy fix before we're all done here. I'll make a note on the work order for whoever comes to do the inspection to do it. Coming up out of that repair now. Here is a little look at the actual repair work. There is the clean out. There is the attachment onto the cast back there. And up underneath here is the downstream Fernco. And the recording there. Call that a pretty damn successful project thus far.
So when it gets